Let's discuss whether a variable frequency drive, or VFD, is permitted to provide motor overload protection. The answer is yes, a VFD can indeed provide motor overload protection. The National Electrical Code, often abbreviated as NEC, allows VFD to serve as overload protection devices provided certain conditions are met. One key requirement is that the VFD must be listed for overload protection by a nationally recognized testing laboratory. This listing signifies that the VFD has been evaluated and certified to meet specific safety and performance standards related to overload protection. Another crucial aspect is the VFD settings. It must be configured to trip, meaning shut down, at or below the maximum allowable overload current for the motor it's protecting. This ensures that the motor is not subjected to excessive current levels that could cause damage or failure. Finally, the VFD needs to be properly sized for the motor. Selecting the right size VFD is critical for effective overload protection and overall motor performance. Choosing too small of a VFD might cause it to overload, while an oversized VFD might not provide adequate protection for smaller overloads. VFD offers several advantages compared to traditional motor overload protection methods. One advantage is more precise overload protection. VFD often have advanced monitoring and control capabilities that allow for more accurate detection and response to overload conditions. Another benefit is adjustable overload settings. VFD allow users to customize overload settings to match the specific characteristics and requirements of the motor and application. This flexibility can optimize motor protection and performance. Motor temperature monitoring is another advantage. Some VFD incorporate motor temperature monitoring features, providing an additional layer of protection against overheating and potential damage. Ground fault protection is also often included. Many VFD offer ground fault protection, which can detect and respond to ground faults, further enhancing motor and system safety. Because of these benefits, variable frequency drives are gaining popularity as a means of providing motor overload protection in various applications.